after watching this, you will never use your mobile phone again in a bathroom. Nowadays we are all slaves of our mobile devices, since we have our whole life tucked in them. We have photos, we have social networks, we have games, we have our agendas, and we have the main method of communication with our family, friends and work. It's not all that our cell contains, but there is a limit we do not know how to control, and it is the extent to which we use it and where we use it. Sometimes we even lose the best things in life by seeing the screen phone. Although in this case we will not talk about what you lose when you use the phone, but what you can provoke depending on where you use it. Surely you are one of those who goes to the bathroom and sits on the toilet to see the new updates of people on Facebook, or to read the news while you do your needs. And is that today who does not go to the bathroom with the phone, is the best time to see things while you discard what you have inside, is a good way to be distracted. But not everything is rosy if we talk about subjects of health. There are two things that contain many bacteria, the bathrooms and the screens of the cell phones. Even the latter could be worse than the previous one. That is to say, there are more bacteria in your cell than in your toilet. The thing gets worse when we put these two together, since the bacteria stick to our mobile, and then we spread this infection everywhere and in the worst of places, in ourselves. Experts say we can carry feces on our phones and spread them to our body because of the contact we have with them. So from now on you should think a little better the place where you use your cell phone. Better leave this alone for the convenience of a piece of furniture and not for the toilet.